Hello dosto, welcome back to our channel. This is today whole one mutton shoulder. It's little overcooked, as you all can see. Ha ha ha. Little overcooked. It's okay. It's time for battle. Battle with mutton shoulder. Hello dosto, welcome back to our channel. It's been a long time that I have started the video. Due to some personal and professional issue, I was not able to post some videos. So now I'm back, and now I'll try to post regularly the videos. Okay, so today's special is mutton shoulder. As you all can see, this one here, this is mutton shoulder. Actually I overcooked because 2-3 times I tried to cook, it was undercooked. So today you can see this one all overcooked. So you can see the bone. This is mutton shoulder. Oh, awesome. This is also this one. This is also mutton shoulder. Look at this bone. And there is one more bone. See, it's all properly good, not bad taste. This one. Thank you so much for all the love and support what you show me all my videos. Thank you so much. Please try to help to increase the channel. So let's take a first bite. The rice. Look at this mutton, man. So awesome. So nicely cooked. Black olive. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment, please. As you all know that I am not much lover of the fat. So nice. Mm. It's normal water. It's a bone part. Fatty part. I've seen some videos where people saying the people who make mukbang video, eating videos, they don't eat for whole day. I don't know how much people does that one. For me, if I don't have the proper meal in the afternoon, I will not able to go. See, this for me this is quantity very less, but now I'm trying to push it. It's not going because this morning I was not able to eat properly due to some work pressure. Now you see, according to me, it was not a big quantity for me, but even though I'm struggling to finish this one. There's a twist. My cameraman, he told I will not able to finish this quantity. I said no, I'll finish it less than 10 minutes. Finally this guy won. Now I need to give him one cone ice cream. It's a big loss. To win the bet, maybe I can finish this one. The problem is that the video will go very long. I can stand, I can jump, I can do like this, oh, boom, boom, boom. Then I can eat. But it's okay. He is not a professional cameraman. He's just my co-worker only. So don't think this guy has a cameraman also. This one, I'll leave it. And the most beautiful part, the chocolate. When it comes to sweet, I go crazy. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Please show me your support. Thank you.